Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad using Kremdensada. First, gather all your essential ingredients. You will need about 500 grams of cooked elbow macaroni, 1 can of Kremdensada, and your choice of fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and bell peppers. Make sure your macaroni is perfectly cooked, firm to the bite, and completely cooled. Dice your vegetables into small, uniform pieces for an even texture throughout the salad. This preparation ensures a smooth and delicious start to your creamy macaroni salad. Now let's create the star of our salad, the creamy dressing. In a large bowl, combine your 170 milliliter can of Kremdensada with about 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise. For a hint of sweetness, add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. To cut through the richness and add a bright note, stir in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or fresh lemon juice. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, tasting as you go to achieve your perfect balance. With your dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add your cooled, cooked macaroni and all your finely diced vegetables to the bowl with the creamy dressing. Using a large spatula, gently fold all the ingredients until everything is thoroughly coated. You want every piece of macaroni and every vegetable bit to be enveloped in that delicious, rich dressing. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your creamy macaroni salad is now ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, give it a final stir and taste to adjust any seasonings if needed. For a lovely presentation, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or a dash of vibrant paprika. This salad is best served chilled, making it a perfect accompaniment to grilled dishes, picnics, or any family gathering. Remember, for optimal freshness and flavor, try to consume your delicious creation within 3 days of preparing it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.